Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter again, out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. In this video, I want to show you that this is a marketing system I use also. When I say also, that means that I don't use just one marketing system. I have tried several marketing systems, and there's a couple of them I love dearly, and this is one of them, the Convergent Pros. You can get the Convergent Pros uh, for free for 14 days, a 14-day free trial to see if you like it or not. And you are not obligated to pay anything, but I can tell you it will benefit you if you will upgrade to a member of the Convergent Pros, which which is every time that you introduce someone to the Convergent Pros, you are getting a 50% commission on each and every one. You get two people, then yours is free. All right, we want to go to the page builder. In this video, I really want to tell you about how I've been creating my capture pages. And it's all about growing your list and how to get subscribers to see your business opportunity. And this is one of them. And I'm going to go to create a page builder, then create a page. And I always love to emphasize I like this one right here, where I can just edit it and start from scratch. And you would do the same thing. Once you get over here, give a title to it. I'm going to be speaking on Rotator link, and we give it a title, and we're going to just put Rotator links right here, and we will see if that will save. We go down here and save lander. It didn't. Okay, it did save. Your lander has been saved. Okay, so once you want to start creating a page, you go up here and you just place your cursor inside of here and just click edit, and you can take these words out and put in your own words. It doesn't matter what you are advertising, whatever you want to say in your created page, you can do that. I'm just going to say how to create a rotator link. Okay, we're going to stop editing, and we're going to go down to save lander. Always save your pages. And right here, we can go over here. We can dismiss all this, delete it. Yes, I want to delete, delete, want to delete. I love using the Convergent Pros because I love marketing online. All this I'm going to just delete. Even this right here. I don't use my social pages too much to advertise. I do have a page in Facebook I advertise. But social media is not one of my best choices to advertise with. It may be yours, that's well and good. But just delete everything that you don't want here. Okay, now I want to add, wait a minute, we have to save it. I want to add a page whereas you can learn how to create these pages and and show someone else how to do as well. We're going to go back to page builder here, and we're just going to go to, I already created different pages, and I want to tell people more about the system. So I'm going to bring up a page that I created about the system. I have to spell it right first. Okay, we're going to go down and look and see. Go ahead. Okay, the system right here. Let's check it out. We're going to get the link and see what it talks about. Yes, and it talk about how to sign up and get an account for free. Watch this video, and I'm going to just leave that right there and go back to my page that I'm editing. Okay, page builder. Okay, see, this is the page I'm working on. Rotator links. Okay, we're gonna edit. Okay, this is the page we're working on. So what I want to do now is put a form on this page. So I just go over here and edit components, and then I go down here to form, and I just click on it, hold my mouse down, and bring it over here and drop it right there. And then I want to edit content, and then you can choose if you want the name, full name and email address, or full name, email address, and phone number, or whatever you want to put in there. I'm just, for instance, for the source of this training, I'm just going to click here. And then I want to put the link here where I want them to go to once they fill out the form. I like to put a full name, email address, and phone number. So I'm going to select that. So if people are interested, they won't mind putting that information in. But going through the extent to get all this information, full name, email address, phone number, the accounting, I don't, people not going to get that much information out. Okay, let's save it. Wait a minute. I didn't put the link right there where I want to take them to. So I go back over here and get the page that I selected that I already built. And you can build pages yourself and put videos in there, whatever. This is going to be telling about the conversion pros. So I go back over here and I put the link right here, and then I save it. Okay, so this is my page right here. To put a background on it, I'm going to put another background on it. Okay, before I go to put another background on it, I'm going to save Lander. Always save your work, because if you don't, it won't save, won't be saved. Okay, provide a background. We're going to pick a background. We're going to pick a background, and let's just go over to, let's choose a background. Uh, we just click, let's click money background. Okay, you can choose either one of these backgrounds that you want. I think that I will, I think that I would choose, let's choose this one right here, a simple one. We're going to choose that one. And this is for your phone purpose. Just center in wherever you want it to for people to see, and then confirm it. You see right there? It's saved. It's saved. But I got to go down here and save Lander. And if we want to review our page that we just created, let's get the link right here and preview it. That's my page right there. See? So how to create a rotator. Okay, we're going to go back over to the Convergent Pros. Okay, we're going to go down here to getting started. And let's go down and see, can we find a rotator. Okay, see right here, link rotator. All you have to do is click there, and you want to add a new rotator. If you haven't ever made one, just click here anyway, new rotator. Whatever you want to name it. I'm going to say my rotator for capture pages. Okay, and then a unique name, we just say capture pages. Rotator. Okay, then we will put the link that we want there. Let's go back over here and get this link here. We'll get the link we just created, copy it, go back over here. We put the link right here, paste it, and then we'll save it. Okay, see, the Rotator link is about advertising more links than one. You can add another one. Click URL. Go over here and pick whatever page you want to. Okay, let's go to background video. Let's click this link to preview it, and see right there. I'm gonna just click on this link right here and copy it. Go back over to my Rotator links, wherever it is. I have to go through the process. Let's go back down here to try to find Rotator links. Right here, link Rotator. I guess you can see this is where I created it right here. Let's view it. See that link I've already put there? Let's put another one in there. URL, put the link that we just copied, and save. There you have it. See, it's been saved. And to use these links, to use the Rotator, we go back, and that one link that you use, you can use to advertise. Okay, right here, say get the link. We copy the link, copy. Then we go over here and look to see if it's working. See my page come up. Let's see if another one will come up. You see that? See, both of those links are inside of this one link. So there you have it. You can put you can uh, put in that Rotator how many links you want to put in there to advertise by one link. And that's the extent of my video. Hope this has helped. At the bottom of this video in the description part, you will see the link to come over to this page to start your 14-day free trial. And we will see you on the next video. My name is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.